Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to everyone happy and beautiful days. Spicy red mullet fish fry recipe. This video will be made for 2 people with red mullet fish and salad. All materials used for this meal: 500 grams of red mullet fish, 100 grams of corn flour, frying oil, mixing vessel, black pepper, cumin, red powdered pepper, salt, thyme, garlic, olive oil, soy sauce. Supplies for salads: tomato, fresh green mint, parsley, lettuce and green onions, lemon, pomegranate, sumac, whole fat sheep cheese, boiled corn. First, wash the fish with cold water 5 to 6 times. Add the washed fish into the strainer. Wait for the water to drain completely. Begin preparing the fish marine louse. Add 1 spoon of soy sauce into the mixing bowl. Add 1 spoon of olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 small spoon of thyme. Add red powdered pepper. Add caraway. Add crushed black pepper. You can easily crush peeled garlic by adding some salt. Add the crushed garlic to the paste and stir. The water of the fish must be completely drained. Draw 2 sides of the fish 3 times with a knife. Add the fish into the prepared sauce and mix thoroughly. Prepare salad while the fish wait a while. Fresh onion chop. Lettuce. Peppermint. Isolate the parsley stalks and chop the leaves. One large tomato striped. Add corn. Add sumac and salt. Lemon, pomegranate syrup and cheese can be added. Cover fish with corn flour. Red mullet fish is a small but delicious fish type. I think you should definitely try this way. Help your videos reach more people by showing appreciation. You can make more people see you by appreciating. Thanks to everyone for support. Fish are ready to be fried after they are covered with flour. Add the frying oil to the oven and wait for it to warm up. Add fish carefully into warmed oil. Wait 1 minute after leaving the fish in the oil. Turn the fish in 1 minute and wait 1 minute. The fish will be fried in 2 minutes in total. Add the red fish to the paper towel. Add the other ingredients of the salad while the fish are ready for service. 1 lemon juice. 1 spoonful of pomegranate sour. Shredded cheese curd and stir. We came to the end of a detailed video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Goodbye, to see you in another recipe.